Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. A professional kibbeh recipe will be made in this video. It is a dish made by making fine bulgur into a dough and filling it. Originally belonging to the Levant cuisine, this dish is also called kibbeh, and in some regions, stuffed meatballs. Each stage has been prepared in detail, and you can choose the part you want to watch at the bottom. You can ask any questions you have, and please don't forget to support by liking the video. Ingredients: 1 kg beef, 1 kg of onion, some liquid sunflower oil, 400 grams of boiled chickpeas, ground red pepper, cumin, black pepper, pepper paste, chopped parsley, salt, sugar and garlic. Ingredients to make the outer dough: 900 grams of fine bulgur, 1200 grams of water, a spoonful of tomato and pepper paste, 200 grams of flour, 15 grams of salt. A large steel tray is used for kneading. Meats were added to cold water the night before and kept in the refrigerator. The beef that had been in water overnight was added to the strainer and the water was drained. The hard parts of the meat are scraped with a knife and the fatty parts are used separately. After the meats are cleaned, we can say the amount is 1 kg and a little animal fat. I will use this while cooking. The meats are finely chopped for kibbeh. We can say they are chopped in the size of chickpeas. There is kibbeh made with minced meat. This is a different version. We make it more, and we like it. After chopping all the meat, add some animal fat to the large pan and fry. Of course, it doesn't have to be animal fat. Here I show you how to evaluate the parts. Add all the meats on the high heat setting and wait for water to form. As you can see, after the water is formed, drain the meats and roast them in a large pan for a little more. The purpose here is to get rid of the blood of meat. Even if it stays in water for one night, the blood does not go away completely. These meats are a bit tough. Now it is necessary to transfer them to a pressure cooker and cook them for 1 hour. Add 3 to 4 glasses of water. Salt. Add sugar and 1 garlic if your saucepan has a setting. Set it to the meat cooking program. Cook for 1 hour over medium heat. After 1 hour, wait for the steam to escape and check the meat. It looks good. The water is completely gone, and the meat is just the consistency I want. Fine bulgur will be prepared. Bulgur is already thin, but not thin enough. You can refine the bulgur more in the spice grinder. The thinner the bulgur will make it easier for our arms in the kneading stage. Heat the tomato paste a little in the pan and add 1200 grams of water and salt. Bring to a boil. To make kibbeh dough, add fine bulgur to a large deep bowl. Add the tomato paste water you boiled and mix. Cover it and wait for 15 minutes. Add flour and mix. Add to large steel tray to knead. If you think it is too solid, add 1 cup of hot water. Continue kneading by pressing and crushing with your hand. The main ingredient of the dough of the stuffed meatballs is the fine meatball bulgur. In order to give the bulgur meatball shape, it is necessary to have a soft consistency. At the same time, the dough must be sticky. The ingredients to keep the bulgur are lean ground beef, boiled potatoes, egg whites and flour. These ingredients are used in local recipes in different ways. In some regions, lean ground beef is added to the outer material of the meatball, while boiled potatoes and egg whites are added in some regions. However, you should put flour in any material. You can add more flour and egg whites to prevent it from spreading while cooking. Add the kibbeh dough in a bowl and cover. Add the boiled chickpeas on a large tray. Deskin the boiled chickpeas. This is not mandatory. I saw that the people of the region did it this way and I prepared it by peeling the shells. Chop the onions to the size of the other ingredients. Add some oil to the pot. You can use a large wok pan if available. Add the onions and mix until they turn pink. Add chopped garlic. Add a spoonful of pepper paste. Add salt. Add the meat you cook. Add the boiled chickpeas. Add cumin. Add black pepper. Add some ground pepper and chili peppers and mix. Add the mixture on a large tray and let it cool. Once it cools, add the chopped parsley and mix. You can get an idea of how many will come out by looking at the weight of the kibbeh dough. If 60-gram balls are prepared, there should be 38 kibbehs. First, divide the kibbeh dough into 4 equal parts. Stretch it with your hands. Then prepare it in 38 equal parts. Make sure that it is not less than 60 grams. Roll the stuffed dough. Shape by wetting your hand, pressing it with your thumb, and turning it constantly. After making a few kibbehs, you can get used to shaping. The final version of the kibbeh dough is like this. Using small spoons, fill them with meaty ingredients. I can say that the material has increased a little. Of course, the ones that are not fully filled decreased a little more. Now that the kibbeh dough is all filled, you can start closing the open parts. Again, wet your hand a little and close it slowly by turning. "38 kibbehs were prepared. It may take a long time for one person to prepare this dish, and it can be done faster if a few people help. Boiling and frying method is used to cook kibbeh, also possible to cook in a fan fryer. To cook in the deep fryer, grease the outside a little. We don't want it to be too dry. You can fry at 180 degrees for 15 minutes or roast at the highest setting for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Prepare boiling water to boil kibbehs. Add salt and lemon juice. Add the kibbehs to boiling water and remove after 10 minutes. If you think it is cooked, do not wait 10 minutes. There is a possibility that the meatballs will disperse when they are kept in water for too long. To fry, add the meatballs to the heated oil. Fry over high heat for 5 minutes and remove. We prefer to drink buttermilk with kibbeh. Bon appetit already. After cooking, you can serve more smoothly by cutting diagonally with a knife. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.